A tornado warning remains in effect until 1:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for west central Galveston and northeastern Brazoria counties. At 12:58 p.m. Central Standard Time, a confirmed tornado was located near Liverpool, or near Alvin, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornado will be near southwestern League City, southern Friendswood, Alvin, Santa Fe, and Hillcrest around 1:05 p.m. Central Standard Time. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornado Watch number 719 remains in effect until 5 p.m. Central Standard Time for